In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add barcodes to your products for Shopify. This is a vital step if you're planning to streamline your inventory management or if you're gearing up to sell your products in a retail environment. Barcodes can greatly enhance the efficiency of tracking your products and can simplify the checkout process. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a larger inventory, learning this skill is incredibly beneficial. Let's dive right into it. First, you're going to want to make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin account. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Products section on the left sidebar of your dashboard. From there, you'll see a list of all your products. Click on the product to which you want to add a barcode. This will take you to the Product Details page. Now, in the Product Details section, you should see a variants area if your product has different variations. If not, you'll be directly working from this product page. Next, scroll down to the areas labeled Inventory or Inventory and Pricing. Here, you can find the fields where you can enter a SKU, barcode, or any custom code that fits your business needs. In the barcode field, you'll enter the barcode number you want to assign to this specific product. If you don't already have a barcode, you'll need to get one. You can purchase UPC or EAN codes from recognized barcode service providers online. This ensures that your barcodes are unique and compliant with global standards. It's essential to double-check that you're inputting the correct digits without any errors. A tiny mistake here might seem minor, but it can lead to issues later down the line during sales or inventory audits. If you have multiple variants for this product, don't forget to add distinct barcodes for each variant. Differentiating with specific barcodes helps in accurate stock tracking and reporting. Once you've added the barcode to the product or variants, go ahead and click the Save button at the bottom of the page. Remember, saving your work frequently is crucial to avoid losing any data in case of unexpected issues. Finally, if you're using an inventory management app or hardware like a barcode scanner, now's a good time to test the integration. Ensure that the scanner reads the barcode correctly and checks against the stock you have listed in Shopify. Doing a quick test run will help you confirm that everything is set up perfectly and ready for smooth operational use. That wraps up today's guide on how to add barcodes to your products for Shopify. By following these steps, you've equipped your store to offer enhanced service and improved inventory management. Be sure to revisit any of the steps if something didn't quite make sense, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. In today's video,